Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am review NYT cooking subscription. What comes with NYT cooking subscription? What does a gift subscription to NYT cooking include? A gift subscription gives recipients 1 year of unlimited access to NYT cooking and the cooking app. Recipient can browse all the recipes plus guides, videos and recipe collections. If you don't have a subscription or review section on your account page, then you don't have an active subscription associated with your New York Times account. Is NYT Cooking a different subscription? Have multiple options to subscribe to NYT Cooking. You can purchase as a standalone subscription or as a part of a broader print or all access digital New York Times subscription bundle. Most options offer the choice between billing every 4 weeks or billing annually. Is NY Time Cooking good? The Times recipes in journal are quite good and many have excellent videos. They tend to be quite health conscious as well and favor both trendy and traditional fare. So if it won't break your budget or put much of a debt in it, I'd say go for it. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. Is a New York Times subscription worth it? I think New York Times is worth an opportunity that need to be missed with a very nominal price, especially for people who are news junkies and global affair enthusiasts. NYT has got you covered and is worth a shot as it's much cheaper than the other news sources or news websites that cover global issues. About NYT Cooking, you have a subscription to the New York Times. Is NYT Cooking include? NY Times All Access Digital and Home Delivery subscription, excluding crosswords, includes access to NYT Cooking. Please note that the basic subscription option does not include NYT Cooking. What is NYT Cooking? How does it differ from the Times food sections? NYT Cooking is a subscription offering from the New York Times. Is a digital cross-platform cooking service that helps users discover the world's best recipes, save and organize their cooking life, and serve as an approachable guide in the kitchen. The food section of the New York Times publishes future stories, food news, and restaurant reviews. Any recipes published in the food section can also be found on NYT Cooking. How do I get access to NYT Cooking? In order to access NYT Cooking, we require users to create an account or log in with an existing New York Times account. Registered users will have access to a limited portion of NYT Cooking's content and tools, while full access will require a subscription to NYT Cooking. NYT Cooking access is also included in all New York Times print subscription as well as all access digital subscription. If you have a basic subscription, click here to see options for upgrading to get full access to NYT Cooking. What can we access without a subscription? There will be a selection of editor curated recipes, collections, and guides available for free. This content will be updated on a regular basis to reflect seasonally relevant recipes along with some of our newest content recommendations from our editors. You will also be able to save recipes and collection to your recipe box, as well as write and view public notes on free recipes. NYT subscription information. What do I get as a NYT Cooking or All Access subscriber? What do I have to pay for? As a subscriber with NYT Cooking access through a paid NYT Cooking or All Access subscription, you will have unlimited access to all the content and tools NYT Cooking has to offer, as well as to all NYT Cooking subscriber-only mobile apps. You will be able to browse the entire NYT Cooking recipes database, including all of our how-to guides and editor-created collections. You will also unlock all the organization and customization tools in your recipe box. This includes the ability to take advantage of our auto-organizing smart folder, create personalized folders, manage your saved recipes, search your recipe box, and import recipe from other sites into your NYT Cooking recipe box. You will also be able to write private notes on individual recipe to keep track of the way you make each recipe your own. What are my subscription options? How often am I billed? You have multiple options to subscribe to NYT Cooking. You can purchase as a standalone subscription or as part of a broader print or all access digital New York Times subscription bundle. Most options offer the choice between billing every 4 weeks or billing annually. Please note that the basic subscription option does not include NYT Cooking. Cost of a NYT Cooking subscription. An NYT Cooking subscription can be purchased at a rate of $5 bill every 4 weeks. You can also choose to purchase a subscription bill annually at a rate of $40 per year. How can I purchase a subscription to NYT Cooking? A monthly subscription to NYT Cooking is available for purchase here. A discounted annual subscription to NYT Cooking is available for purchase here. Can I purchase a gift subscription to NYT Cooking? Yes, for $40 for 1 year of unlimited access NYT Cooking gift subscriptions are available here. What is your cancellation and refund policy? You can change or cancel your subscription at any time by contacting customer care. If you are in the United States, please call 1-800-NY-TIMES 1-800-698-4637. If you are outside of the United States, find the customer care phone number serving your country here. When you cancel, we will stop charging your account the following. Billing cycle. Each billing cycle is 4 weeks, so your access will continue for the remainder of the current 4 weeks period. View the full NY Times cancellation and refund policy. Will I lose access to my recipe box? If I cancel my subscription, you will not lose your recipe box. However, some of the recipes within your recipe box might no longer be accessible if they are not part of the editor credit for the recipes. Any non-NYT Cooking recipe imported into your recipe box during your subscription will be remain available. I do if I'd like to cancel my subscription to the New York Times but continue my access to NYT Cooking. You can change or cancel your subscription at any time by contacting customer care. If you are in the United States, please call NY Times 1-800-698-4637. If you are outside of the United States, find the customer care phone number serving your country here. And thank you for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.